Today we're taking a look at the Harvia Virta. When you unbox a Harvia Virta, you're unwrapping a heater that's both powerful and refined. And we're going to do just that. The Virta heater body, designed for efficiency, durability, a mounting bracket, and comprehensive instructions for hassle-free setup, a removable stone basket for easy maintenance. The Virta combines robust performance with sleek design, making it a standout choice for any sauna. All right, so now that we've unboxed, inside the box is your temp sensor, we have the instruction manuals, and of course this beautiful heater. So one of the cool features about the Virta, and the most important in my opinion, is the elements are actually protected and they do not come in contact with the stones whatsoever, so you should rarely have to replace the elements on this. As a favorite amongst interior designers, you'll see this model more in your high-end or luxurious sauna. So one of the perks of purchasing this through us directly is you are covered by Harvia's warranty, which provides 2 years standard warranty, including an additional year for registering the heater. This is a more aesthetically pleasing heater if you're looking for a heater above 8 kilowatt. Of course, with its tried and true construction, you'll expect nothing but the best from Harvia, manufactured in Finland, and you can purchase this directly from us here at the Sauna Place. And if you have any questions about this product, leave us a comment. We'll be happy to answer. And of course, we'll see you in the next one.